Well, the Supreme Court, while hearing the Arjikar Medical College rape and murder case torn into the TMC Sarkar, it raised question over the several evident lapses on the part of the Bengal government, police as well as the hospital administration. Firstly, the court asked why there was over 13 hours delay in filing the FIR in the case. Secondly, the question was asked as to why the crime scene was not secured after the FIR was filed in this case, and why the autopsy was even done before the case of unnatural death was filed. Even the body was cremated in a hurry before filing the FIR in this case. This is what the Supreme Court noted in a crucial hearing yesterday. Now, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has urged the Prime Minister to introduce a central legislation to combat increase in the rape cases in the country. She highlighted the alarming frequency of such crimes and advocated for a fast-track special court for quick justices in such case. She also urged the trial in rape cases should be completed in 15 days. On the other hand, Trinamool Netas have also questioned the CBI probe, claiming that what CBI told the Supreme Court yesterday during the hearing was based on social media reports. Listen in.
Setting up of fast-track special courts for speedy trial in such cases should also be considered in the proposed legislation. To ensure quick justice, trial in such cases should preferably be completed within 15 days.
सवाल मीडिया में जो सोशल मीडिया में जो घूम रहा है वो बेसलेस पॉइंट्स लेकर सीबीआई के तरफ से आज सवाल हो जा रहा था। सीबीआई ने अभी एक भी अरेस्ट सीबीआई ने नहीं किया। वो सिर्फ कंफ्यूज कर रहा है, टाइम किलिंग कर रहा है और कोर्ट में जाकर वो कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर रहा है।
Doctors cannot, blackmail the common people. Their solemn duty is to give medical service to the poor and common people. Do you have any right to deny medical services?
The Bharatiya Janata Party has called the West Bengal the most unsafe place for women, with a police force that acts more like a doormat of the ruling Trinamool Congress. BJP also questioned why Mamata defended Sandesh Kali and was silent on Chopra flogging. BJP also went on to demand Chief Minister's resignation. Listen into all the political reactions that have been coming after the crucial Supreme Court hearing.
पश्चिम बंगाल मुख्यमंत्री की पदत्याग चाहिए, बस यही पहला यही आखिरी। पश्चिम बंगाल मुख्यमंत्री घृण्य जघन्य अपराध को छुपाने का पूरा टीम बनाती है, उनका पदत्याग चाहिए।
जो न्यायाधीश है सुप्रीम कोर्ट को, उन्होंने भी बोला कि मेरे 30 साल की सर्विस में देखा नहीं सुना नहीं है। अब समझ सकते हैं किस प्रकार घटना हो रहा है। यहाँ सब जगह दिमाग लग गया है और उसका ऊपर बैठे हुए ममता बनर्जी, उनको बदलना पड़ेगा।
The story in Kolkata is not just tragic, it is horrific. It shakes the conscience of any human being. Behind anything that is attacking or outraging the modesty of a lady, you have to take action.
Crucial hearing, in fact, took place in the Supreme Court yesterday, and Supreme Court even expressed shock at the lapses. The Supreme Court justice said that this is something that he has not seen in the 30 years of his practice. Let us take you what happened in the Supreme Court yesterday. Firstly, telling you what Bengal Chief Minister has written to the Prime Minister in a letter that she wrote yesterday. She said that trial should be completed in 15 days. But before telling you about this letter that Mamata Banerjee has written, let me firstly go across to my colleague Adrija, who joins us live on the broadcast. Adrija, this letter has been written by Mamata Banerjee to the Prime Minister seeking stricter action as far as the rape cases are involved. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely, using Mamata Banerjee, the Chief Minister of West Bengal, she has been taking it, she has been very vocal about the whole incident and about the fact that she wants speedy justice and wants the accused who has been arrested to be, to be given capital punishment as soon as possible. She have also hit the streets earlier demanding the same, and at the same time we are seeing that the TMC, the party of Mamata Banerjee, is also speaking on the similar lines. They are mentioning that, they are doing everything in their power to ensure that the accused is hanged as soon as possible. But at the point, because the case is with CBI, they are protesting. They are also taking it on the street to be vocal about their demand. And at this point in time, writing a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi regarding the accused, regarding the entire situation is, of course, another major development, because we have seen in the past several uncertainties between the central and the state governments. So, of course, this is a big step where Mamata Banerjee is writing a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking his intervenience and asking to ensure that the accused be given punishment as soon as possible.
That's right, Adrija, stay on with us. Let us take the viewers through what the Supreme Court said yesterday. Supreme Court pulled up the West Bengal government, the police, as well as the hospital administration. Let us take you through what Supreme Court said yesterday. They said that the norms were flouted. Post-mortem was done before the unnatural death case was even filed. The second was delayed action. Death reported around 10 a.m. FIR was filed at 11 p.m. that is at night. Another was that there was a delay in registering the unnatural death case. As far as other norms that have been flouted, this is post-mortem was only in the case of unnatural death. Cremation done even before the FIR was filed. Remember, she was cremated at the night, and at around 11:45 is when the FIR was filed. As far as delayed action is concerned, crime scene cordoned after the post-mortem was done. In fact, her body was found in the morning, and in fact the crime scene was cordoned off in the evening after the post-mortem was done. More things that the Supreme Court has said as far as this case is concerned. In fact, they said that the FIR was filed over 13 hours after the diary entry was done. Remember, FIR was filed at the night, 13 hours after the first diary entry was done. Crime scene was secured only after 7 p.m. Remember, her body was found in the morning, and the post-mortem was done in the evening. Post-mortem conducted at 6:10. So between 6:10 to 7:10 p.m. in the evening is when the post-mortem was in fact done. FIR filed at 11:45 after the cremation was done. So after the body was found, post-mortem was done, cremation was done, is when the FIR was filed by the police in this case. So FIR was filed around 11:45 is what we're getting to know, and that is why Supreme Court yesterday pulled up the West Bengal government and also the hospital as well as the West Bengal police. Thanking Adrija for all the updates. We'll keep